My name is Alois Gnadl. I am the Vice President International Sales for Diehl Defence in the Asia-Pacific region. Actually, I know the family behind RV Connex since 1999, where we had a project with the Alpha Jet, where we brought the Alpha Jet to Thailand. And when I later on joined Diehl Defence, it was quite natural for me to go back to RV Connex and to the family to cooperate for the future. Number one, we are working together for many years in aviation projects, in cockpit modifications, and the company has actually a very deep experience. They have delivered drones to the Royal Thai Armed Forces, which are in operation today. They have the standards necessary to build drones in accordance with aviation regulations. They have as well the facilities to manufacture drones. All was existing, and we could see it before we decided that we are doing this in a collaboration approach. If this project is successful, and I'm convinced it will be successful, we actually have the potential of multiple future collaborations, because missiles are there to be fired and our customers want to have firings. We need test firings. For us, RV Connex right now is a best partner in Southeast Asia for such firings, but I would not exclude the option as well to bring the target drone to Europe or to other areas in the world where we need target drones for live firings.